Hello, my name is Bill O'Neill. I'm Professor of Laser Engineering at the University of Cambridge. And I guess, like many of us, my journey into engineering really started out as a child being very interested in design and manufacture, making stuff in school workshops and getting your hands on a milling machine or a lathe. My futuristic interests really centered around Star Trek, and the idea of having my own laser device was completely fascinating, which I guess led to my academic journey. I undertook a BSc in applied physics and an MSc in laser physics at the University of Essex. I was very lucky to be given a PhD studentship by Professor Bill Steen at the Royal School of Mines, where I really focused on laser materials processing and undertook some very interesting research into the very early high power lasers, which at the time were remarkably poor quality, but still quite capable. I moved to the University of Liverpool with Bill in 1990 and undertook a Royal Society Research Fellowship and a EPSLC Advanced Research Fellowship, really centering my interest in research, developing a host of laser-based technologies and trying to really make an impact with those developments. In 2003, under the guidance and mentorship of Professor Mike Gregory, I moved to the Institute for Manufacturing and took my research team into an environment which really enabled me to understand how my research could be applied in a manufacturing context. The whole manufacturing landscape was open for me to learn, and that was a great transition for me and my research team. Over that 30-year period, I've blended my interest in lasers and technology and manufacturing and materials and processes to really produce a wide assortment of laser-based technologies. I guess it's interesting to see that, what is your proudest moment? Well, we've all done great things, I'm sure, but I guess my proudest achievement really revolves around working with young people and empowering the next generation of engineers who, like me, have the opportunity to unleash their inventiveness and creativity and their capacity to make the world a better place. And I think that's certainly my proudest achievement. Thank you.